Hello friend, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can change your ringtone on your iPhone. So sometime you need to change your ringtone, I mean default ringtone. You want to change your custom ringtone or any others. So I just show you how you can change it. So please stay with me and you can learn these topics. Alright, so first you just look in the find settings option like here. Then you can scroll down and look sound option inside the settings. So I look and find like sounds and haptics. So I just step here and here is showing many option like ringtone volume and change the button, also ringtone, text tone, many tone here you can specific and change. So I just step here ringtone. So there in two option like breaking for primary and reflection for secondary number. So you can choose separately for I mean individual ringtone for each number. So you can just tap here. Here is showing. So you can choose here as you need. Then go back. Okay, all right. Your ringtone changing done. So thanks for the watching. Bye bye.